Hey, come on, we're going camping today.
I know, I can't wait.
You cannot wait. Oh my god, same. It may take a while. That's why I got a camper van. Okay?
It's a very nice camper van.
I mean, yeah, if you zoom in, it's so cool. I mean, look at this place.
It's a home on wheels.
Yes, I know, right? It's so cool. I absolutely love it. But I don't know how long this is gonna take, so get ready for this.
Where are we going camping?
Somewhere far away.
By the sea, by the woods?
By the woods.
Lake? By the woods, okay.
It won't take long, hopefully. It may take a while, so we might need to camp in our camper van. Is that okay?
Okay. Hey, you're driving quite fast.
Yeah, because I want to get there fast. There's no rules in Brookhaven. Alright, it's getting kind of late now. I think we should take a break. I'll cook tea.
Okay.
Okay, wait a second.
What?
This place doesn't have a kitchen. I'll just get some food at the store. Actually, I'll see what I've got in my
I
backpack.
think we should find some food. We could hunt it. We could...
Yeah, I guess we'll hunt food.
Find some berries or something.
Yeah, find some berries. I'm gonna head to sleep.
I need some food.
It's only been 5 minutes.
Starving.
It's already been 5 minutes. It's only been 5 minutes. No. It's only been 5 minutes. Come on, it can't be that bad.
It is. My stomach is empty and empty and empty.
Just come on, just get in the van. Fine, we'll find food in a minute.
Where are you?
I'm in the van. I'm
see
asleep. I'm asleep in the van. Okay, leave me alone.
I thought you were getting some food.
I was, but then I was tired. He said I was gonna get some sleep. I said I was gonna get some sleep.
Okay.
Don't blame me for that. Jeez. I'm tired, okay? Okay?
Okay.
I'm not tired and I cannot help it. When I'm tired, okay? Okay.
Well, go to sleep then.
I'm literally saying, I'm not okay. Really hope there's no wolves in this place. I think there's a lot more wolves all over the place right now.
Why are we stopped here then? I want to be somewhere safe.
Do you want me to drive somewhere safe then?
Yes, please.
Okay, hold on.
I might be attacked by wolves in the middle of eating my pizza.
I'm gonna go somewhere safe then. This place should be safe.
Sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Double sure?
Double sure. Now let's go.
You promise sure?
Now let's go and find some food.
Right.
Follow me. It can't be that hard to find food. Maybe it's over here. Over here. Yeah, I think it's over here. Can't be that far from food, right? I mean, yeah. I see something in the distance. Do you? Like, over here.
Plane?
No, I see something over here. What is that? Wait, I see something. What?
Where are you going?
I see something. What is that? Hold on, what is that? Ellie, what is that?
What is what?
Over here. Be careful. It's sleeping. What is it? Looks like you. What is it?
Looks like a person.
Hold on. Let me translate it on my phone.
What does it say?
It says it's a wolf. Oh, it just went away. Probably scared of us, right?
A wolf?
A wolf.
Run!
No, don't be scared. It's okay. It was probably just scared of us.
Why is there a police van here?
I don't know. Come on, it was probably just scared. Come on. We should head back to town and go somewhere safer. Come on. Get in the van.
Camping was supposed to be fun. You go without me.
Bye.
Stop the van. Hello. Stop the van. Let's come here. Layla. Don't make me.
I'm sorry, I can't take this camping trip seriously right now.
I don't want to come camping with you anymore.
Ellie, just come.
Oh, phew.
Ellie, it's fine. We're just gonna go to the city. Anyway, back
You
to
just ran me over.
Anyway, back.
Twice.
Anyway.
Twice.
Ellie,
Layla.
go back. Just go back to the
I
camping.
want to get out.
Just go back to the camping.
No. I want to get off.
We're here
We
anyway.
need to consider our friendship. It's not funny.
You know what? We're here, okay? We're here. Oh my god. Gotta put my tent here. Sleeping bag. Perfect. Okay, gotta roast marshmallows. Ugh. No. I might head to sleep. You can stay up if you want.
No, we're not going to walk at the distance. Where's my sleeping bag?
Get your own.
Oh, this is not the camping trip I thought. You're not the friend I thought.
Oh, I need to go to the bathroom. Oh. I need to go to the... I'll be right back. Ow.
It's getting louder.
Ow.
Oh, you made me jump. What is that? I'm having a bad dream. Where's it gone? This is just freaky. It looks human but sounds like a dog. Layla, say something.
I'm back from the bathroom.
Layla.
I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you.
You are not leaving me. No, I'm gonna let go. Come back here, you
I'm leaving you.
unfriendly friend.
I'm leaving you.
Wait, I'm gonna get her and cut her off at the name.
I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you. I really hope she doesn't come and find me. Alright, just gotta relax. She's gone now. She's gone. gonna be okay. She's gone. It's just relax. I don't know when she's gonna be out, but it has to be soon, surely. She's gonna be so mad at me. I just down this house thingamabob, and I think I should be good. Okay, ow. Okay, let's head down. Okay. Okay, I think I need to just drop my off at the daycare. Yes, just forget about my friend. Yeah, okay. I just need to relax. I'm gonna be A-okay. I might go back to my... Ah! No. Leave me alone.
No, come back.
Leave me alone. Ah!
Right, there's only one thing.
Okay, I go. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Uh-oh. I'm stuck. Uh-oh. Okay, just relax. It's okay. It's A-okay. It's A-okay. It's okay. Let's just go back to the camping site and it'll be okay. Let's go back to the camping site and it'll be okay. Yeah, let's believe. Let's believe in ourselves. Yes. It will be A-okay. Let's go back camping. Hopefully the wolf isn't... Ah! The wolf is there! Ah! The wolf! Ah! Okay, just run. Okay, just run. Ah!
You ran! I'm coming for you!
No, please. I was just scared of the wolf. I was just scared of the wolf. What do you mean?
Some friend you are.
Well, I was just trying to be nice.
You would have been
I'm stuck. What do I do? Okay, I just gotta back out. Okay. Gonna be okay. Okay. Just relax and go to Brooks Diner and just relax. Okay. I'm just going to Brooks Diner and it'll be A-okay. Yeah. Okay, no one at the drive-thru. I think I'm safe. Perfect. Okay. Nothing bad can happen. Okay, because I'm at Brooks Diner, she can't find me. Okay.
I blocked her in.
Okay, I'm gonna get some... Ah! Oh no, you're here. Oh no.
You are supposed to be my get off my car.
Go.
Oh, I just crashed.
I don't feel so good. I really don't feel so good. I know I gotta escape from her.
You are not my friend.
I gotta escape. I gotta escape, and I know a way that I can escape. It's just... Oh no, okay, I got it.
I'm coming for you.
No.
You.
No.
Run me over.
No. Leave.
You
Leave.
wolf.
Leave me alone.
No.
Leave me alone. You can never find me.
Yes, I can see where you are.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. We ain't taking this. This wasn't part of the video plan.
Well, you ruined it now.
I'm hiding in the
I'm
barn.
leaving you.
I don't care. You're a terrible friend.
You're a...
Ah! No. Are you okay? Okay, gotta run on full speed. Okay. Come on. No.
I'm no friend of mine.
No.
Not today.
What are you doing? Okay, gotta back speed. speed. There we go.
I'm going.
Okay. Okay. Just gotta wait for the bus and he'll be okay. No, I think I need to go get some ice cream. I need to go get some ice cream. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. I can't believe I left her. But she was a scaredy cat, so I didn't quite like that. I'm gonna go and get some ice cream. Ooh, bubble gum. I love that flavor. Okay, I'm gonna go and get some bubble gum. Okay. Oh wait, she's coming. Okay, I gotta disguise myself. Okay, there we go, perfect. Hello, and welcome. What would you like? What would you like? What would you like? What would you like? Ah! Okay, horse. Get on, run! Come on, we can do this. We can do this together, okay? I know she can't run this fast, but we can do this together. We can do this together. We can do this together. She's not even following us. I know she is. Okay. I gotta climb. Climb, horse, climb! Climb, horse, climb! No, climb, horse, climb! Okay, you got me near.
Our friendship is over.
I don't care.
Want to see you again.
I don't simply care because you left me and you didn't even care.
You left me.
Come on. You gotta go to the hospital. You gotta go to the hospital. You gotta go. You gotta go to the hospital. You gotta go to the hospital. You gotta go to the hospital. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Ellie, did you enjoy it?
No, I didn't.
See you guys next one. Bye.